In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you get the color block egg in the hatch event. So what you need to do is you need to win just one game. You need to win just one game, and then you get the egg. And yeah, I'll show you guys that right now. Hopefully I'll win this. Okay, as you can see, I have one, and if you search around, there will be an egg, and only you can see it. I think it's in that fire. I don't know. And yeah, I was right. It is in the fire. Get the egg, and boom, I just got the egg. You have to have like an ult account. This is my ult account right here. I use this to boost myself up to the fire, and yeah, it's basically us. See you guys in another video.